Hello there, greetings. This is Mayank and you are watching iBoomi tutorials. In this particular tutorial, we would be discussing why our thermometer is showing low. Most of the customers face this low problem. They thought their battery is discharged, that is why this is showing low. But that is not the problem. When your thermometer cannot detect a particular temperature of your body or the surface, it shows low. So here are few points that need to be considered while taking measurements from your thermometer. So it should not show you the low readings and show you the particular reading of the object or the body. So number one cause why this thermometer shows low. If your outer atmosphere is very cold or chilled, it will always show a low reading because the thermometer has a nozzle of steel and that gets very cold in the chilled environment. That is why it shows low. And for that, you can put this thermometer in room condition for few minutes, and to resolve that problem you can put your thermometer into room condition, that is 25 degree centigrade or similar, and after few minutes it will start working. Number 2, if your thermometer is showing low, that may be because of you are not maintaining the distance of 3 to 5 centimeter. Like if I test my temperature, it shows 92.4 degree Fahrenheit because it is my hand's temperature, and hand temperature is always lower than the forehead temperature, and this thermometer is intended for the forehead use. If I take readings more closer, it shows a perfect reading, but if we make readings very far, it will show you low readings. As you can see, the thermometer is far than 15 centimeters or 10 centimeters, it shows low reading. Okay, so you have to maintain a distance of 3 to 5 centimeters to get the perfect readings. Number 3, if your thermometer is showing low and you have selected the surface mode and you are taking the readings but thermometer shows low, and that could be because of the incorrect mode chosen. Okay, so now you have to press this setup buttons once so it changes from human mode to surface mode. Now you can take the readings exactly and accurately. Okay, now if I change to human mode, you can see a face over here. Now whenever I take the readings of any object or surface, it shows low. So you have to choose the correct mode while taking measures. Number 4, some of our customers says that their thermometer shows always low while they take the read. If I take temperature of my fingers, it will show low because my fingers are too cold, and this is why the thermometer always shows low. Your thermometer also show the wrong readings while you have taken the readings after the bathing or coming from outside. So you have to get relaxed before taking the readings for 10 to 15 minutes. And lastly, if these points not satisfy your queries and your thermometer always show low, then it may be because of the calibration of the device is out because of the incorrect transportation or incorrect placements. And for that assistance, you can call our customer care number that is displayed here. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again.